Welcome to Better Every Day, your source of information in matters of self-improvement, health, motivation, and self-help. Hello and nice to see you again. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be updated of the latest videos which might be of help to your self-improvement.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. We are also going to do a setup and take a look at some of the specs. Let's dive in and get started. Okay, here we have a SIM card attached to the box itself. Let's remove it first. Wow! I have to say that I love the packaging. Here we have a minimalist block box. We've got the S Pen here in the middle and the N20, which stands for Note 20 of course, and at the bottom it was imprinted here Note 20 Ultra 5G. On the side of this classic box, you can see the full name of the phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Alright, let's open it and see what's inside. There are 3 different variants to choose from for this model. There's a Mystic Black, Mystic White, and Mystic Bronze. Presented with the device first, of course, and it is in the Mystic Black color, which looks bold and good. Okay, I'm going to leave that to the side for just a second. And let's see what else we get inside the box. Now we've got a quick start guide and a warranty card. And there's a SIM card tool right here. Okay, so let's put it inside. Okay, on this other box, we've got a USB Type-C cable. Here it is. Here's the AKG USB Type-C earphones, which do have extra buds. As well as this 25-watt fast charger. Okay, so let's divert our attention to this beauty right here. Let's do a quick observation. Ooh! It has a glossy back. When the light hits, oh my gosh, look at that! What an elegant look! This is the first smartphone in the world that has Gorilla Glass 7, also known as Gorilla Glass Victus, which is more durable and more scratch resistant than the Gorilla Glass 6. It has a stainless steel frame, looks really sleek. This phone weighs 208 grams, not too heavy and not super light. Let's take a look around the device. On the right hand side, we have the volume buttons, and then below that, we have the power button. There's actually nothing on the left hand side. On the bottom of the phone, we have a microphone, USB Type-C port, stereo speakers tuned by AKG. And then we have the S Pen, which matches the color of the phone. On the top, we have a SIM card tray, and right here we've got our second microphone. By the way, we have an expandable memory and SIM card. Let's turn on our phone. It has a 6.9-inch display in full rectangle, 1440 by 3088 pixels, with a 19:9 ratio, and 498 pixels per inch. It supports HDR10+, and has a 120Hz refresh rate, and can go up to super bright 1500 nits of peak brightness. As far as its battery is concerned, it has a 4500 mAh battery, 25-watt fast charging, and 15-watt wireless charging, and it will give you a 100 charge in about an hour now. When it comes to the front camera, we have a 10 megapixel with an f2.2 aperture and can film at up to 4K 60 frames per second. Now in the back of the phone, we have that huge camera bump. We've got 3 different lenses. At the top, we have a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f2.2 aperture and 13mm ultra-wide lens. In the middle, we have the main 108 megapixel wide-angle camera that's got an f1.8 aperture with a 26mm equivalent lens. For the last one, we have a 12 megapixel periscope telephoto zoom lens with an f3 aperture, and it can give you up to 5 times optical zoom and up to 50 times space it. It's essentially digital zoom. Amazing, right? This device has a memory of 12 GB RAM with 256 GB internal storage. It is water resistant but not advisable to be used on a beach or pool for extended period of 30 minutes. You can buy this for 67,990 pesos. This is the latest phone released by Samsung. So that's it for today's unboxing video. Let's explore the other specs soon, as we'll make a review about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Thank you for watching!
Please like and share. Goodbye!